Do you also have the same question that how to manage time? So here, Stanford University's expert-backed tips will help you stay organized, reduce stress and achieve your goals with ease. So number first is start with a plan. Create a daily or weekly schedule. Break tasks into smaller goals to make studying feel manageable and less overwhelming. Number 2. Prioritizing the tasks. Focus on what's urgent and important first. Balance long-term project with short-term deadlines effectively. Number 3. Use the Pomodoro technique. Study for 25 minutes, then take a 5 minutes break. This boosts focus and prevents burnout during long study sessions. Number 4. Avoid multitasking. Stanford University shows multitasking reduces efficiency. Stay focused on one task at a time for better retention and understanding. Number 5. Review and reflect. Spend 5 to 10 minutes after each study session reviewing what you have learned. Reflection helps reinforce key concepts in your memory. Number 6. Leverage active recall. Test yourself regularly instead of rereading notes. Quizzes and flashcards strengthen memory and improve exam performance. Number 7. Reward yourself. Celebrate small wins. After completing a task, enjoy a reward like a favorite snack or a short break to stay motivated. So these are some tips so that you can manage your time well. I hope this helps you. Thank you so much.